I'm a hairstylist, so I'm not sure how I feel about these kind of auto-rotating curling irons. And to be honest, when they first came out years ago, I actually got one stuck in a client's hair that was like down to her bum, so it's kind of put me off. But I definitely think it's important to test them out and review them, especially for those of you with mobility issues. So I'm going to be trying out the Remington Air Vibe rotating curling wand. Let's go. So this actually doesn't open. You literally need to slide the hair inside there, press this to get the hair wrapped around, and then slowly glide it down and out of the hair. Let's try it. Sliding it in there and up, press that down. Ooh. Oh, okay. Oh, I see what it means. Right. I feel like I get it. Right. Then we can rotate a bit more. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's not scary, guys. It is not scary. Woo! Look at that. Right, I thought it was one of those that's literally going to suck the hair all the way up inside it. I think I've got it. But I do think you do need to take very small sections, sliding it in that gap, bring it up to the root, close to rotate, close again to rotate, and then I'm literally going to glide that slowly down the hair. You can also rotate a bit more if you have long hair, like towards the ends. Ooh. And then what you can do is actually alternate the direction of the curls. Press to rotate, because ideally you want like one full wrap on it, and then glide it through the hair. I mean, it's very different compared to the one I used years ago, which literally sucked all of the hair up. I like those results. I would say this is definitely not what I was anticipating with this tool. I was expecting it's gonna like suck the whole thing up and then I feel like a bit stressed and under pressure, but you are literally still doing all the gliding through it, so you've got control over like how long you leave it on the heat for. And as you can see, like the curl result is really nice. It's got like a really good shine to the hair. Do I dare grab all the fringe and try and do the fringe with this? I think we're going to have to, because otherwise, like, we need to do something with the fringe. So grab it all as one. Make sure this is rotating forward. Slide it in, rotate, and then I'm going to come up and under. Oh, that's gone better than I thought. Let me just redo that bit where that looks a bit straight. You can definitely just create soft movement with it, like a soft bend. To dress out, I'm literally going in with the Maria Neela Cica oil, one drop of that, rub it into your hands like a hand cream, and then we are literally going to start raking through these curls to break it all up. We should end up with a really nice textured result because all the curls are going in different directions. Run it through that fringe as well. I feel like that style of the fringe is so good, actually, like the perfect kind of swoop. Guys, what do we think? I feel like my hair's got like a really nice amount of body. It's kind of giving you that almost like messy curl look in a way, but then the curls themselves are smooth and shiny. In summary, I would actually most liken this to curling with a straightener. It is literally almost like a straightener with just the plates glued tight together. So if you're looking for a tool that's going to help you get that curl rotation in and maybe be a bit easier to use, however, it will take a little bit of practice, I will say that. And I think those of you with mobility issues are also going to like this one.